Hi.
Hello.
Welcome back to Scribbles Reactions. I'm Vera.
I'm Bucky.
And today we are watching Chainsaw Man.
Journey for the movie.
Let's see if Denji's dream will come true. And because Power offered squeezes.
She didn't offer anything. She's repaying her debt.
So
he saved her.
Yeah, he saved her actually.
Her cat.
And we see that they are all bonding, you know, and also because they're all now living together, and Aki also. And so
we mentioned a couple of times in a bit like Jujutsu now, Kaisen, how they're bonding together. They're going to be a team.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Dream
to see,
team hunting devils. So, yeah. But before that.
Let's see. Yeah, but before we start, guys, if you're interested in early access, go check out our Patreon because we post episodes there before they come to our YouTube, and the link to Patreon is in the description below.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That is seriously good. Oh my god. Okay. The kick. He's
What?
like,
Okay.
it's the tit. Wait, what? She put the pads?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
So it was fake!
Sorry, Denji.
2 squeezes remain, okay.
He's in shock. I'm in shock. Fantastic.
He's so much in shock. Just the fake.
He looks traumatized.
True.
言いてえことはあるけど、あれ?
He didn't even get... He didn't have even time to process it.
Yeah.
He doesn't even remember now how they feel. It's like, wait, I need more time.
Yeah, everything happened so
This was
fast.
too quick. That's it, yeah.
That's it. I'm in.
So he literally didn't process it at all. Because is he going to now ask her, maybe?
No, I think he's still dazed.
Oh my god.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。
And now the dream is over. He doesn't have any more.
Oh yeah,
俺が思
then
っていたより大したことなくて。
yeah,
もし
the
かしたら
dream
これから俺がまた何か違うもんを
that it won't feel that
追いかけた
special as
ところ
he
の方が
what it
幸
would.
せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって。
Wait, you didn't do anything. You can touch boobs without clothes. Then there is ass. Then is other stuff.
It's coping.
You just keep searching for another dream. Touch me. Wait, seriously?
Dude.
デンジ君、エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくな
The
れる
better
と
it feels.
私は思うんだ。
I mean, true, right?
That's true, yeah.
最初は手をじっくり観察してみて。
Yeah, enjoy the small moments. Like
指の
the,
長さはどれくらい？
that's actually cool.
Yeah, but I wonder what her deal is.
冷たい。覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても、私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。
Okay.
覚えて。
He's going to fall in love.
Yeah, that's it. Instant falling in love.
Can he even fall in love? He doesn't understand.
Yeah.
覚えました。
Now you can touch. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, dude.
What is her deal? Does she like him?
Okay. The heart attack. He will get a heart attack. Maybe now he really sense, you know. Okay, I mean, this is going to fuck it, please, girl.
デンジ君、
What the heck?
お願いがあるんだけど。 銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
Gun devil.
銃の悪魔。
Did we
13
heard
年
something
前
about gun?
米国に出現して今もどこにいるかわからない。すべてのデビルハンターが殺したがっているとっても強い悪魔。もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
Okay.
デンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せた。
If you're
デンジ
I mean,
何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
any.
Oh my god.
What does that mean, any?
それはつまり、何でもって、例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
Right.
すげえ
Really?
なことあってもいいんですか？
んなことあってもいいくらい強くて悪い悪魔なの。悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期に、銃を使った事件や内戦が増えたんだ。メディアも活発にニュースを取り上げ、銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。
Ah, that
アメ
is
リカで
why.
銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。 その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
I mean, makes sense, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
gun is really
And that's why
scary,
he's
and
that
yeah, that
strong,
is
yeah.
what powerful devil.
都会のネズミは言いました。うざい。ついてくんなよ。
Play with the
俺は
snow.
一人で遊べるんだ。
Yeah, exactly. Dude, why are we getting some random children there? And this giving me vibes with Hunter x Hunter and those two brother and sister cult.
I hope not. That now what? Someone's will appear?
And yeah, and then no, wait, is this? No, is this Aki? That's Aki, right? Yeah.
大
Oh.
体5分弱で120万人を殺
What
し
the
た。
heck?
銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
That is Aki, I think.
Oh.
How? What did he just passed?
悪魔そのものに対する恐怖が高まって、すべての悪魔が以前よりも
Oh
力が
my
強くなったの。
god.
デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
I mean, dude, he just sneezed and destroyed 1 million people.
きれい
Yeah.
交換と頑張れば大丈夫でしょ。
Ah, okay, you know that, but of course, yeah, he'll say that.
銃の悪魔を見つけなきゃだね。
見つけました。
食べたのか、食べさせたのか。
どっちでもやることは同じです。
So I think that was him, right? So that is how his family
Yeah.
died.
やつが
Then he gets a
Okay,
personal stake in
then.
this.
Jeez.
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。それもこれはただの悪魔じゃない。
Oh, it's
銃の
going.
肉片を食べた悪魔がいる。銃の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの？
Imagine.
肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せられる。この程度じゃ違う。そうなんだ。
今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
Okay, Denji is literally going to be.
そんなことはやめてください。結婚前の乙女がそんなみだらな。
ご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょね
Oh my god.
Everyone's
Denji
now going
is,
to be
yeah.
like extra motivated.
Denji, like, yeah, I can feel that sensation again.
エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。
I mean,
He
お前
learns
も知らねえ
fast.
あんたの唇には興味ないね。
へえ。
you're such a badass. I like you
じ
already.
ゃあデンジ君が悪魔を倒
You'll
して
get to meet me, be.
I was
ベ
sleeping
ロを入れたキスしてあげる。
with the tongue. Okay. Oh my god.
Look at everyone's playing with him. Jeez.
Yeah, true.
They're manipulating him left and right.
単独行動聞くな。止まれ。
新井君は実力不足だけどやる気は十分って感じ。小紅ちゃんは引っ込み思案だけどかなり動けるかな。
アキ君はこの新人4人生き残れると思う？
こいつは強いなと思ったやつもそうでないや
Go
つも
private.
1年あれば死ぬか民間に行きます。
答えになってないな。
お前の新しいバディだ。ブレーダーが少しは使えるように育てた。
Oh my god, this is
うまくやれ。
Hanji. No, Hannes. Hannes. Voice.
Actually.
よろしく。
Oh my god, they both of them lost.
君は使えるの？私のバディ、君で6人目。
Sixth
my
part.
全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。アキ君は死なないでね。
She's still there.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So freaky.
No.
Oh my god.
捕まえた。
Oh.
Come on,
Okay, nice. Yes, she could have died there. What the heck?
わしにビビって浮きよったわ
違う違う、私の力。
なんじゃ
私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。
Ah, that is a
私のゴースト
right hand.
透明で力持ちで便利でしょ。
Hmm.
どうアキ君、銃野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつじゃないですね。
So
か。
there's another one.
じゃあ上の階に行くか。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする
Oh my god.
No.
武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
Okay, that's pretty strong. And she
And
cannot
can't do
yeah.
anything against it.
It's a ghost.
Yeah.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
Sorry, girl. There is somebody stronger than you.
The Mario time. Hopefully not.
俺
どうした？
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階
You
段
going
を
in
登りま
circles?
した。
Run in circles.
ここも
It's all the
8階で
same.
Uh,
Haunted place. Cursed.
違う何かがおかしい確認してくれ
yeah.
決めたステーキにして食ってやるわ
A
No, don't go alone. Okay. No, okay, it's looping, it's looping.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a loop, yeah.
it's just looping
So they're trapped there.
荒井君
on the 8th floor.
階段降りていったよね。
あ
They're trapped.
Oh my god, this girl is just going to lose it. Girl, you're not cut for this work, maybe.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah,
But maybe she's also going to have her own development and
Maybe, yeah.
learn to deal with this.
Yeah,
but
yeah, true.
okay, then obviously whoever they're hunting is very strong, since if that demon can create this loop and keep
Yeah.
it there practically. So they're, let's say they are now in his
Domain.
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, there is a lot of parallel like that. That reminds. Because it's
It reminds what?
with Jujutsu, because with Jujutsu it's like curses in a sense of like spirits, and also here you have ghosts, devils.
I mean, yeah, we talked
So, like,
about it. Yeah, and the more people are afraid of a thing, the stronger
Yeah.
the curse is.
But
Yeah.
it's just devils, it's not like a ghost. It is because people are afraid of ghosts. A devil ghost appeared. Yeah. Right? It's like that.
I mean, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, whatever you're afraid of, then yeah.
Yeah, but you would think maybe
Yeah.
you see how here presenting it, because most people are not afraid of ghosts, or not globally maybe, and then that ghost devil, it's not that strong, but the gun, how everything happened also, and how it's in America, and that devil became really, really big and strong or whatever. It's not like big, right? Doesn't look like he's big, maybe, I'm not sure. Because then you would easily find him, right? I don't know, because from that what happened to his house and the city itself. Destroyed like in a
I mean,
row.
we know that it moves fast.
Moves
so,
fast. That was
yeah.
moving fast, or
Yeah, they said that he's moving fast. He's moving so fast, and that's why you get these particles, like parts of him that they're like
Okay.
ripped off, basically, like because he's that fast. So yeah.
Okay, but the first part.
But I think, yeah, that's why I'm very confused about Makima's intentions there. Like, it feels like the whole time she's using Denji. I'm not sure that she has any connection, feels any connection to him, because here it's, and I'm not sure why she thinks that he would be able to like deal with someone so strong.
I'm not sure.
What does she see in him, especially because he's rookie? Okay, fine, maybe like he's, because of the chainsaw, like, and how powerful it is in itself, like, yeah, sure, he can be powerful individual, but like he's still a rookie.
Yeah.
So how can he deal with the Gun Devil now?
Maybe
at this point?
I'm not sure. Maybe not. I don't know if he can get stronger
Yeah.
or because of the chainsaws on his arms and on his head and everything. That we saw that all of the devils are more or less like fleshy. He can just chop it off, chop the parts of him and just kill him, right?
Yeah. But I also wonder, like, if we're going to see, like, the character development, like, something similar to what we saw with Itadori, because, like, the way Itadori started...
I was thinking,
Yeah, it was, like, of course, you're not aware of what's going on around you and the high stakes, and it doesn't take a toll on you. And then later we saw what happened. But, like, here also with Denji, like, he's definitely... We know that he's not doing this because he wants to do this or because he wants to help people. But I wonder...
he wants.
Yeah, of course. And that's, it's realistic. So I wonder if like that would be his character development, that in time he'll realize how serious.
Exactly. Look at here, Makima now push him in a direction. You have to connect with somebody, and how you're going to connect with somebody, on a level of friendship.
Yeah.
But then maybe he loses that friend or something. And then that changes him to push harder or more serious.
Yeah.
And with some other goal in mind, not just boobs and tits and whatever, but protecting the loved ones.
And what she's saying is like she makes a good point and everything, and it's nice. That's all that he
I'm
has
not
to.
sure she's using him.
He has to just learn over time, but that's the thing. I'm not sure she has like she's doing it because she particularly cares about him.
I think she cares about everybody in a sense like that.
I feel but at the same time,
to really for them to develop on their own. She's just pushing the buttons.
At the same time, like I feel like she's capable of sacrificing them, maybe if need be.
I'm not sure.
Because like here we can forget that he's here on borrowed time. Like if something happens, like he's off. The deal's off. Everything is So what would she do in that case?
That's why maybe she's just pushing in a sense, like live your life to the fullest.
Well, you can.
Basically, because you don't know if you're going to die or your friend's going to die around you, right? Maybe it's like that. But as you said, I'm not sure that she's connecting with him, of course. Because we don't know also her past. Did she also lose somebody, That is why she's also, in a sense, open to help others, but
closed off.
Yeah, not getting too close to others, She's just giving for the other person, but not for herself to connect, because she doesn't want to lose nobody else, if she connects with somebody. So I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay, but the first part, it was anticlimactic. Yeah, that's deliberately.
Not deliberately.
Like that, I like how they did it, to be so anticlimactic, because he literally didn't feel anything. It was like...
Exactly. Yeah, and
it was cool. It was really well done.
I like how it's done because he doesn't have the maturity and the understanding to process all these events. Like he wants something, but he doesn't realize what that actually means. I want a girlfriend. Okay, but what does that mean? Like, are you ready to be a boyfriend? Do you know how to be a boyfriend? Can you get emotionally involved? Like,
true.
So it's really amazing. It makes sense, like knowing like he didn't connect with anyone. He lived alone. He had no childhood, no ordinary life.
Basically,
it makes sense how we are seeing this kind of progression in his case. So
So we should see.
Let's yeah, what's going to happen now and what's the deal with the loop and that place. Yeah, but thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.